We've got a 2015 Lexus RX-350. We're going to reset that maintenance required light today. So go ahead and hit the start button twice to get to the on position. We're going to be using this button down here for the odometer trip. So if you're not already on trip A, go ahead and hit that button until you get there. When you're on trip A, turn the car back off. You're going to want to hold the odometer button, odometer trip. So with the odometer and trip button held, we're going to turn the car back 2 clicks to the on position. You're going to see the dashes light up. As soon as the countdown's over, the maintenance reset is good to go.